I was lost, you held out your hand. You showed me the way, helped me understand. With every tear, you wiped away my fears. You taught me how to smile through the darkness and the tears. Through every storm, you stood by my side. You showed me love, and you I confide. You gave me strength when I was weak. You believed in me even when I couldn't speak. So thank you for teaching me